Hello. Welcome to another video from our channel. Here you will have tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally, increasing your disposition, your stamina, and your immunity. Together we will be unveiling the secrets of how to benefit from everything that nature provides us to achieve our goal of enjoying a healthy life. In this video, we're going to talk about a refreshing and nutritious vegetable from the Cucurniaceae family. It originates from India and is grown all over the world. The cucumber, cylindrical or oblong in shape, they have a green skin, but there are also yellow and white variants. Scientifically called Cucumis sativus, this plant is widely cultivated around the world for its edible fruits, eaten fresh or used in salads, sandwiches, juices and other dishes. Cucumber is a type of plant with branching stems and large green leaves. Contains juicy and crunchy pulp with small seeds inside. This vegetable is mainly consumed raw as an ingredient in salads, sandwiches or cold dishes. It is also used to make pickles, which are cucumbers pickled in vinegar and spices. Since cucumbers are mostly made up of water, they are a refreshing, low-calorie option. It is also a source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium and folic acid. Cucumbers are low in calories, providing about 16 per 100 grams. Due to its high water content, cucumbers hydrate the body, which has a beneficial effect on skin health and kidney function. Contains antioxidant compounds such as flavonoids and lignans that help fight free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage. The fiber in cucumbers aids in digestion and helps prevent gastrointestinal issues like constipation. Cucumbers contain potassium, which is important for cardiovascular health and blood pressure control. Cucumbers are often used in skincare products because of their moisturizing and soothing properties. They are low in calories and high in water and fiber, which can help you lose and maintain a healthy weight. Due to its high potassium content, cucumbers have a mild diuretic effect, helping to eliminate toxins from the body. In addition to the nutritional value, cucumbers are also used in traditional medicine because of their diuretic and cooling properties. He is a good source of citrulline, responsible for the production of nitric oxide, important for maintaining an erection, which helps with erectile dysfunction. Health benefits of cucumbers. 1. Helps you lose weight. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water and fiber, making them a recommended food for weight loss diets as they help curb appetite, keeping us fuller for longer between meals. 2. Avoid dehydration. As cucumbers are 95% water and contain high amounts of electrolytes, they can prevent dehydration during physical activity, for example. Thus, these vegetables can be consumed in their natural form or in the form of a refreshing drink, for example with water and mint to keep the body hydrated. 3. Cancer prevention. Cucumbers contain high amounts of antioxidants and nutrients such as cucurbitacins, which have anti-cancer and anti-proliferative properties, preventing the growth of cancerous and precancerous cells. 4. Maintain cardiovascular health. The amount of fiber and antioxidants found in cucumbers help improve cardiovascular health by decreasing body fat, particularly triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. Therefore, with regular use, diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart disease, and stroke can be prevented. 5. Helps lower blood pressure. Cucumbers are rich in water, magnesium, and potassium, which promotes the excretion of excess sodium in the urine and promotes relaxation of the arteries to prevent high blood pressure and help lower blood pressure. 6. Treatment of diabetes. Since cucumbers contain fiber and have a low glycemic index, they have the ability to slowly raise your blood sugar. It also contains cucurbit, which promotes the secretion of the hormone insulin, regulates glucose levels in the body and helps prevent and control diabetes. 7. De-inflammation of the skin. Cucumber, applied directly to the skin, has a cooling effect that helps keep the skin healthy, reduces swelling and skin irritation, and can reduce sunburn by acting as a calming agent. 8. Helps detoxify the body. Thanks to its potassium, water, and antioxidants, cucumber promotes detoxification of the body and helps reduce fluid retention by removing excess sodium and toxins from the body through urine. 9. Improve digestion. Cucumber acts as an anti-inflammatory in the stomach, improves digestion, and reduces acidity and gas formation in the digestive tract. 10. Relief of constipation. Cucumbers are rich in fiber and water, which softens the stool, helps bulk it up, and helps with bowel movement to improve constipation. 11. Improves bone health. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin K, which, together with calcium, is important for the formation and maintenance of bone structure, helping to maintain bone health, as it prevents the development of diseases such as osteoporosis. It is important to remember that this information is only an overview and that people may react differently to foods. If you have a specific health issue or are considering the therapeutic use of cucumbers, it is always recommended to consult a qualified healthcare professional for proper guidance. All in all, cucumber is a versatile and healthy vegetable that provides nutrition and various health benefits. It is a great option to include in a balanced diet and can be enjoyed in many dishes. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.